Hey guys, and welcome back to another Disney Tales. So today we're going to have a little look at the Cabana Bay Beach poolside view room, which we did get upgraded. We did originally have a standard room, which is a view of the car park, but they upgraded us for our honeymoon to the pool view. But it's more special than just a pool view. I'll show you that in a moment. I'm a little bit quiet talking because it is currently 6:30 a.m. We didn't manage to do a room tour yesterday when we arrived because we had to rush over to get annual passes and things like that, so it was very chaotic. So do apologize about the state of the room at the moment because we are getting ready to go to our first day in Universal. But yes, this is room 5544, which is nice and easy to remember. So we've got the door here. You got a massive entrance area, and we did load up all of our luggage and stuff around here. So all of our suitcases are lined up there, and we still got some of there, look, because those are all our Disney cases, which are full of Disney stuff, so we didn't bother. But yeah, on the left hand side, as soon as you come in, you got some extra pillows there, a few hangers, quite a few, considering. You've got the ironing board there and the iron there. You've got this little wall safe there, which I have my laptop, all our important documents, my little external hard drive for all the footage. We got all of our important bits like passports and stuff like that in it as well. Oh, and Gemma's brand new glasses that she bought. Priority is Gemma, isn't it? So Gemma is behind me getting ready, so I'm going to come this way. So the bathroom bit is behind us there, so I'll take you through that in a moment. But then this is the bedroom, so it's got two queen size beds. So that's what they are. They come with one pillow each. I've nicked a pillow from over there for mine. There is bits of signs of wear and tear on here, but don't worry about that. There's plenty of sockets around as well. There's two sockets there, and you got another massive space to put suitcases, but we're using this as our little shoe area. Apart from Gemma's put her shoes, but there. Yeah, ignore all the stuff on the bed because we are getting ready at the moment. I've just made us some coffees as well. So we've got TV here, and then in here is the cooler. These always open the wrong way for me. There we go. So we got the cooler there. Oh, we got our Twinkies in there, which have been bashed because they're from the UK. So that's just a little bit of a chiller there. You got 4 drawers here too. I'm not going to open them because they have our stuff in already. But nice, fairly big TV there. Got ice bucket. There's a ice and ice machine not too far down from where we are. And they've got these little coffee pods and stuff. You've got regular and you've got decaf, and they come with this condiment kits which have all like your sweetener, creamer and sugars and things there. Then you've got these disposable cups too. Nice little table here, so I'm using this kind of as my little uploading station for all my footage and also our merch as well, because we have already been buying some merch. You've got 4 sockets on the wall there, and there's, oh, there is, check that out, there's 2 USBs in there too, which is not bad really on that one. Not going to get to that view just yet. So there's another 2 sockets on that side of the bed there, and then we go over to the little table side. So you've got a drawer here. Oh, you have a Bible. We have a Bible, Jam. There we've got a telephone, which is interesting. It's a wireless one. That's quite cool. So you've got 2 more there and 2 more there. There's the sticker, that is. And this really retro looking alarm clock there, which is quite cool. The artwork is beautiful on the wall. It does have that 50s, 60s vibe and things, and these lights. You've got 2 different settings for these. You've got one upper and then one lower light there. Got this nice big huge light there. We're going to show you the view now. So on the, oh, I've shown you those ones there. Yes, I have. So then there's the aircon there. You can change it to Fahrenheit or Celsius. So I'm going to turn this light off. I'm going to come over here. Look at that view. So this is a poolside view. So yeah, there's the pool, but that is more important. You can pay to be in one of those towers, so you have a view into Volcano Bay. But to me, I think this is a much better view. Oh, it's looking very windy out there today. But yeah, it's stunning. The only problem is, it is a bit loud up until about 9-10 o'clock when the pool closes, so just be wary of that if you want to get an early night. And also, it's very bright. It's like we had the curtains closed and it goes up to about here, but you still can see a bit of light out there. That's just in case you light gets really dark, bring a face mask and things there. But that is such a stunning view. We got another like long window this side as well, so you could actually wake up. You can be sleeping there and you could wake up to see Krakatoa over there. But that is absolutely stunning. Right, so I'm going to wait for Jem to finish in the bathroom and then I'll do that one. Oh, she's finished. Okay, so you got the front door here. Again, apologies for the mess as we come into the bathroom. So, nice big mirror there. Hi. And you got a little vanity sink here, so it's quite a bit of space to put things around. So obviously this is mine compared to Gemma's. But not all my toiletries are out there, still in the Disney one. You got some little drawers here, so you can put some things in the drawers. Your towels will be underneath there too. And you've got this hairdryer. I think it'll activate as soon as you put it out. So you've got chargers here. So just a little note that it does not have doesn't use like the shaver charger there, so you will still need a adapter if you're coming from the UK to use that one there. My toothbrush died last night, so I'm glad I brought the charger there. Really cool looking retro taps. And then you've got this soap bar here, which we've already been using. And then you got a nice full length mirror on this door. Got a little tub. Toilet area. It doesn't come with these, ignore them. Got a bin there, or the other bin was behind the table in there. I just love these like retro light switches as well, actually switches. And then you got the shower there, and a little bathtub. You've got the clothesline, which you bring that out, and then you can hang your clothes up to dry. Got this VO5 retro shower, shampoo and conditioner there. And to use this shower, it might be a little bit confusing for people. You just pull this handle and the water will come out. It'll probably start coming out with the bathtub first, but then you pull this up there. As you can see, it's got a bit of use, really, but I think it kind of adds to it really there. That is the poolside view room at Cabana Bay Beach in the Americana building, and it's beautiful. It's like we were so jet lagged and things last night. Well, not jet lagged, but so discombobulated coming here. It's like it was we were like, are we in Florida? But then you wake up and you see that and go, I'm in Florida. I'm home. So yeah, what a view. Really nice room. The beds are really comfortable. The pillow's quite soft. We had a very good night's sleep. I know we were exhausted, but we had a very good night's sleep, didn't we, Jem? So yeah, happy days. I'm just quickly gonna show you the little orb light, but there you go. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and we will have plenty more room tours and resort tours along the way for our various different resorts that we visit, as well as our vlogs. So please do check those ones out. But until next time, bye guys.